Ready to eliminate guesswork and trade with a professional, rules-based process? At Global Market Raters, we deliver instructor-led futures trading education built around one core principle: context before entries. This is not a signal service, alerts feed, or generic trading course. This is structured, decision-based training designed to help you evaluate market conditions, apply repeatable execution rules, and develop consistency over time. We offer several clearly defined paths depending on your experience level and goals. First, foundations. Intensive one-on-one, designed for traders starting from zero or near zero, who need to understand futures correctly before risking real capital. You'll learn futures mechanics, risk rules, platform workflow, basic chart reading, and starter execution rules so you can begin practicing safely and intelligently. Second, Virtual Immersion Program One-on-One, our flagship professional training path. This is the full framework, delivered through live private sessions, covering market structure, directional context, participation filters, execution workflows, and discipline. You don't just learn concepts, you practice execution rules, build your personal trading framework, and develop consistency through repetition and guided refinement. Third, Mastery in-person one-on-one, for traders who want full immersion with hands-on supervision. This program delivers the same professional framework with on-site instruction, hyper-tailored planning, and real-time workflow refinement based on your habits, risk profile, and execution behavior. And for small cohorts, a group reward program organizes a small group of committed traders and receive the same professional curriculum delivered in a structured group format, with reduced per-person investment due to shared training time. Regardless of the path you choose, every GMR program is taught live by Richard O. Zamora III, Chartered Market Technician. 100% instructor-led, no pre-recorded courses built on a rules-based, risk-first trading process. Designed to teach not just how to trade, but when not to trade, structured to help you build a repeatable professional decision framework. Whether you're just beginning or refining a serious trading operation, there is a path designed for your current level, and a framework to grow with you as you progress. Take the first step toward trading with clarity and structure. Start now with a trading assessment call and determine which path fits your goals and experience best.